So sa pamamagitan ng Sante Party, natutulungan niya akong maging mas maayos ang pangangatawan ko. Diba? Mas maayos ang aking pangangatawan upang mas humaba pa yung lakas ko araw-araw. Kasi especially ngayon, ang stress level natin ang taas-taas. Diba? Parang, tapos yung 24 hours a day, ang bilis niyang nauubos. Pero bago pa maubos yung oras at yung araw, minsan nauubos na yung lakas natin. Hindi pwedeng mangyari yun. Kailangan meron tayong karampatang lakas ng pangangatawan upang maharap yung mga kailangan nating harapin at mapagtagumpayan araw-araw. Sa trabaho, personal o professional man yan, kailangan meron tayong sapat na lakas. At yung immune system natin ay kailangan natin kilalanin at mapahalagahan. At yun ang magandang dulot sa akin ng Sante Party.
Galing! Well said. Sir Joey, why Vice Ganda?
Well, dahan mo yan.
Ang hirap pagsundan si Vice, ano? Well, from day one, everyone knows Vice Ganda. Pero nung nagkita kami ni Vice at kwentuhan kami, nung ko na-realize that there's something in Vice na I know magiging inspiration to all our business owners. Timing lang talaga yung movie, The Breadwinner, di ba? Pero what we are here for is really inspiring our business owners, we call them our business owners, inspiring them, people from ordinary background and now living an extraordinary life. Nung nakilala ko si Vice, sabi ko, siya yung perfect example ng isang Sante business owner who rose from the ranks. Kung kilala niyo si Vice nung unang panahon pa, diba, compare yun now, ang layo na eh. And ang nakikita...
Sa itsura ba yung tinutukoy mo?
Yung itsura, siyempre, paganda ng paganda, di ba?
I love you.
Pero nakwento sa akin ni Vice, na nagiging inspiration siya ng marami niyang kaibigan. In fact, one of the things na nagustuhan ko kay Vice, sabi ko nga maganda minsan pagkwentuhan natin, is yung habit niya when it comes to money, spending money. Sabi ko, she can be an inspiration to a lot of people because at the end of the day, it's not how much money you make, di ba? It's how much money you save and you reinvest. And Vice is a perfect example of a person who handles her finances well. Napakaganda ng kwento niya at naging inspiration siya, okay, to all people from all walks of life. And I think yung presence si Vice in Sante can really help a lot, not only Filipinos in the Philippines because we're already open all over the globe and we're already inspiring mga OFWs. So I believe Vice can be of big help dun sa advocacy ng Sante.
I was about to ask, is the brand targeting international expansion really soon with Vice Ganda?
Well, right now, Sante is open in 10 countries. Most of the countries that we have right now are maraming OFWs like Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, UAE, Qatar, and of course, the USA. We're starting the USA. And sabi ko tamang-tama because ang goal namin next year, 2025, is really to inspire and empower Filipinos. Our objective is always start working abroad. You have a purpose why you're there. But start building your business because there's so much more in life than just working abroad. Ang goal kasi namin balang araw, they have a business of Sante in different countries and they can go back home while retaining their business there. And Vice can be of big help to us.
Galing! Alright, let's go back to your healthy routine, Vice, no? Kanina you touched on it already. Pero paano yung nagsimula ang umaga ni Vice with Sante? Parang, sabi mo, hindi ka nag-breakfast, no? So, yun na yung parang ini-intake mo before leaving the house and going to showtime.
Alam mo, isa pang magandang effect sa akin, magmula nung nag-take talaga ako ng Sante Party, natulungan niya ako sa problema ko sa constipation. Promise, kasi problema ko talaga yan. So, masarap sa umaga na alam mong magaan yung tiyan mo, na ilabas mo yung mga toxins mo. So, doon siya nagsisimula. Yung pag-gising ko sa umaga, diretso na ako ng CR, lahat ng mga ganap ko doon, maliligo na ako, magtutoothbrush na ako. At maraming pagkakataon na, yun ang namimiss ko kasi wala siya, constipated ako. Pero dahil sa Sante Party, doon siya nagsisimula yung, nare-release ko agad yung mga toxins. So mas magaan ang pakiramdam ko. At napakahalaga para sa akin na masimulan ang araw ko ng magaan ang pakiramdam ko kasi from home, as I wake up every day from home, didiretso ako ng studio, I need to feel good about myself. I need to feel good kasi yun ang makikita sa akin at yun ang gustong makita sa akin ng viewers ko at yun ang gusto kong ma-share din sa viewers ko. Yung feeling good every day, di ba? Kahit hindi man every day, maraming pagkakataon, kailangan feeling good tayo. Gusto kong makapagpasaya. At hindi ako makakapagpasaya if I don't feel good about myself. Physically, di ba, kung mabigat yung pakiramdam ko. So, ganon lang ang araw ko every day. Magigising ako, didiretso ako sa salamin at kakausapin ko yung sarili ko. Sasabihin ko sa kanya na napakaswerte natin. Maswerte tayo, pinagpala tayo, magpapasalamat tayo sa Diyos. At today, marami pa tayong biyayang tatanggapin. At feeling ko kasi yun ang healthy life. Yung being able to live a life full of gratitude, di ba? Full of happiness, di ba? Marami tayong issues, marami tayong mga ikinaiinis everyday, pero dapat hindi niya ma-invalidate kung ano yung magaganda, yung beauty around us. So, feeling ko a healthy life is a life living full of gratitude and happiness and embracing the fact na whatever it is, whatever is happening, meron kang blessing na matatanggap every day.
Ganda na sinabi mo, Vice, ha? Just listening to you right now.